it's like we're singing a song. When it hurts, it's like a work of art. When it feels like we're crumbling, we don't have to say nothing. We're running, dancing on the edge of us, and there's nowhere I'd rather belong. When you're here by my side, I swear I could see all I've wanted in your eyes. When the lights go down, when I'm scared of the dark, when the world gets loud, that's the sign of our hearts. And I know, oh, that nothing can stop me when you say you love me, yeah. We could stand all day on the roof of your car, trying to trace our names written up in the stars. 'Cause I know, oh, that nothing can stop me as long as you love me, yeah. I'm not saying that there's only tonight, but we don't know what tomorrow holds. So I pray I'll be here for the ride, 'cause I'm not ready to let you go. When you're here by my side, I swear I could see all I've wanted in your eyes. When the lights go down, when I'm scared of the dark, when the world gets loud, that's the sign of our hearts. And I know, oh, that nothing can stop me when you say you love me, yeah. All day on the roof of your car, trying to trace our names written up in the stars. 'Cause I know, oh, that nothing can stop me as long as you love me, yeah. As long as you love me, as long as you love me, yeah. As long as you love me, as long as you love me, yeah. Lights go down when I'm scared of the dark, when the world gets loud, that's the sound of our hearts. I know, oh, that nothing can stop me as long as you love me, yeah.